Uipath based bot can help you to find broken links or dead links on a page, and later it will save the result into an Excel file for further reporting or audit purpose. So let me show you. Here I have created a template. This template is all about to pass in the page URL or the site URL which you would like to audit, or you would like to find the broken links on the page. As many you want, you can pass in the URLs here in this template. Bot will scan this template, and based on the input values, it will scan the entire page for the broken links, and later on it will save the result into an Excel file with the page name for the further reporting. So this is the template for now. As you can see here, I have provided two links. Basically, these links are from my blogs, and I'm going to scan my blog for the broken links. So let me show you the blog first. This is my blog. So I will scan my entire blog for the broken links. Intentionally, to demonstrate you, I have included few dead links here. So let me show you again. As you can see here, test 1, test 2, test 3, these are the dead links. Once we click on it, it will say, sorry, the blog you were looking for does not exist. However, the name, this is available in registry, but the page is not available. Similarly, with the other two test URLs, same result. So I have included these URLs for the demo purpose. So let me close it. And this second URL is again from my blog itself, and this is the another page within the blog. Now another thing here is the output folder. This is the output folder where bot is going to save the result or the Excel files, and you can define any output folder. This is purely customizable and flexible. This is not something which is hard coded. For the demo purpose, I am just showing you that no file is available in this folder. Once I execute the bot, it will create two files in the output folder with the page name, because we are passing two URLs in our template. Let me close it. Let me come back to the Uipath Studio. So this is my bot and I'm going to execute it. Execution has started, and this is the first URL we provided in the template. It will scan the entire page, available links on this page. And in the output window, if you notice, the processing is already started. As you can see here, it is providing the status of the each link which is available on the page. Later on, the same result, it will export to an Excel file for further audit purpose or the reporting. Wait for the completion of execution. Now bot uh, automatically closed the previous browser and uh, opened a new browser with the new URL. If you noticed here, this is the second URL which was available in our template. Now bot is scanning this page now. As you can see here, the processing in the output window as well, and bot automatically will close the browser. As you can see here, execution has been completed and bot automatically closed the browser. Now let me go back to my output folder. These are the two files which are created by bot. Let me open them, and these are the columns, URLs, available URLs on the page, and the status of each URL. Now let me put in filter for the non-working and the working URL. On the home page, there is no dead link. Let me quickly go back to my second export. This is the page where we intentionally added test links to test the working of our bot. So let me put in the filter, and here we have few not working URLs. These are the 3 test URLs which we included to our blog. Now let me open them one by one. As you can see here, spelling mistake I intentionally made to demonstrate you, and the similar message we are getting here, the blog you were looking for does not exist, which I showed you earlier. So this is how you can find out all the dead links. So this is how you can find out all non-working links or the dead links on a page. And further, you can use the reporting Excel files for audit purpose or anything as per the business case. Let me show you as well. This was the first test one link which is not working because the spelling mistake we intentionally made here to demonstrate you. So this is all about the bot. Please comment below if you find it useful, and if you are looking for similar something, I will help you to build this.